fix keyboard not working in Windows 10. Now, whether it is Windows 10 or Windows 11, if your keyboard application is not working or functioning for some reason, there are a couple of ways on how you can hopefully solve that issue. The first thing that we're trying to do is we're just trying to check whether it is not a hardware damage. So if you have got some kind of external keyboard, you can plug that in and see if that actually helps you type or do anything on your laptop or any other thing. Now, if you're using a desktop itself, you can try to replace with another keyboard. Now, it could also be some software issues. So first, you want to simply go ahead and open up Device Manager. Once you open Device Manager here, you will see these options right here. So once you see these options, what you want to do is on the left hand side, you can see keyboards. Right click on each of these and make sure to update it to the latest version. So you can type in search automatically for drivers and it will ensure you're using latest versions. Now after that, open up settings and you will see these options. You can simply go to the option that says system, and under system you'll find many options. You can also directly search for the keyboard setting right from here. So once you search for keyboard, you can see a couple of options. You can also try to use on-screen keyboard and so on. Last but not the least, also check whether you're using the latest version of Windows, and that should hopefully help you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.